So let's get to the criticisms, because there's people that are saying that these are not direwolves, that what you've done is just manipulate the DNA of a gray wolf.
They are direwolves because we have manipulated the DNA of gray wolves. We took direwolf genome sequences from animals, one animal that lived 72,000 years ago and one animal that lived 13,000 years ago, and we lined them up next to each other and figured out what it is that makes a direwolf a direwolf. And then we used the tools of genome engineering to bring those traits back in Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi, that are 3 direwolves that are alive now. And that has created these animals that you saw that are bigger and they're stronger and they have that direwolf coat. That coat, the light coat color that you see, was something that we absolutely could not have known without the ancient DNA, because no one has ever seen a direwolf. But both of these 2 animals that we had higher coverage DNA from had gene variants in genes that are associated with pigmentation, how our coats, the hair color and eye color and things like that, that suggested they had light-colored coats. I'm sure there were different colors, but it's interesting to me that 2 animals that lived so far apart from each other in time and geography would both have this light-color coat. Maybe it wasn't that every direwolf had a light coat, but it must have been a predominant color in the population.
So if they lived 13,000 years ago, you're talking about the Ice Age, right? Do you think that that's why they had white hair?
It's possible.